Impugn is a verb that means to challenge or question the truth, validity or integrity of something. When you impugn someone's statements, motives or actions, you are casting doubt on them, often suggesting that they are dishonest or lacking credibility. This word is frequently used in formal or legal contexts where credibility and reputation are at stake. Origins of impugn. Impugn comes from the Latin impugnare, meaning to fight against, within meaning against and pugnare, meaning to fight. The word entered English in the 14th century, initially in the sense of physical combat or confrontation, but it gradually took on a more figurative meaning of challenging or attacking someone's character or integrity. How to use impugn. To impugn is to call something into question with a tone of skepticism or accusation. For example, one might impugn the honesty of a politician, the reliability of a report, or the motives of a competitor. It often implies a direct challenge, suggesting that there are doubts about the truth or moral soundness of the subject in question. Example sentences. The defense lawyer attempted to impugn the witness's credibility by highlighting inconsistencies in their testimony. She felt that her integrity was being impugned by the baseless accusations. Similar words: challenge, to question the validity or truth of something; dispute, to argue against or question; denounce, to publicly declare something as wrong or false. In essence, impugn conveys a forceful questioning or criticism of something's truthfulness or integrity. It is a word that suggests doubt, often with a hint of confrontation, and is used to express serious reservations about someone's honesty, motives, or reliability. Subscribe